Our journey kicks off in Kilimnos, where the subtle traces of Turkish influence start to reveal themselves. Exploring a charming fishing village, we chance upon a hidden swing, igniting the spirit of our upcoming adventure. Sailing from Greece to Bodrum, Turkey, we immerse ourselves in the Turkish way of life, indulging in traditional shopping, baths and tea. As winter approaches, we prepare our catamaran for dry dock, pack our bags and set the stage for our next grand expedition. Stay tuned to discover which continent we'll be exploring next. And don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on our top line travels.
It's time to wrap things up here on the Graduate. We're getting to the end of our summer season. So we're going to start packing up the boat, getting it ready for winter to go on the dry stand.
We spent the day preparing our boat for winter storage, waxing the decks, removing all perishables, cleaning all surfaces, and securing all loose items. Properly covering and storing the boat in a dry dock will protect our catamaran from the harsh winter elements, ensuring it's ready to go again next summer.
This morning we're taking down the main sail. So what we're doing is we're pulling up the sail, one row at a time, one rung at a time. Hosing it, washing it, cleaning it. We'll pull it all the way up this morning, let it dry once we've washed it, then we'll drop it back down onto the deck here. Quick coffee break while the sail dries. Got the sail bag off here now. Sail's just flapping in the wind. Slowly dropping the sail down. But we had to kind of do it in a rush because the wind is picking up. Oh, look at that. It's funny without the sails on. Jackpot. Woohoo. See you next summer, baby.
And we have officially left the Cosmarina, and we are on our way out of Greece and into Turkey. We are headed towards Bodrum, and that's where we'll be for the next week, exploring and then dry docking the boat for winter.
We're swapping our Greek flag here for an intermediary no man's, no country flag until our check-in agent comes and gives us all the green light, then we'll put up our Turkey flag. We got dolphins for the final sail of the Graduate. Woo! So good. They're absolutely monstrous today.
Bodrum, located on the southwestern coast of Turkey, is often referred to as the Turkish Riviera, as it boasts crystal clear turquoise waters and numerous beautiful beaches. The town is dominated by the imposing Bodrum Castle, built by the Knights of St. John in the 15th century. The seaside town is steeped in history, with remnants of ancient civilizations scattered throughout the region. Visitors can enjoy the lively atmosphere of Bodrum's waterfront, making it a popular destination for travelers seeking both cultural experiences and vibrant entertainment. 6 a.m. and we get woken up by the prayers. And it's so loud. After being woken up before the sun this morning by the prayers, we have slowly got ourselves out of bed and got ready because today we are hitting the markets. Bodrum has a long street of amazing stores and a lot of beautiful items to shop. But first, Brad is making some breakfast.
I need a haircut.
I know. Brad's hair has gotten so bleach blonde from the sun. He went and got his hair cut and now it just looks like a crazy dyed mullet.
Fully sick back. Beautiful morning. Some shopping in Bodrum.
We have been successful doing some shopping and now we've stopped in at a little kebab shop which is on the beach with some lunch.
Time to fuel up for round 2.
Yeah, because we still have a lot of shopping to get through.
And the Prem music's going again.
Bodrum's bustling bazaars and markets offer a fun and lively shopping experience where bartering is a common practice. You'll find vibrant displays of intricately woven carpets and ornate lights, showcasing the country's rich craftsmanship and adding a touch of cultural elegance to the bustling atmosphere.
Homemade nougat and amazing traditional Turkish tea. It is nothing like I've ever tried before. So authentic and delicious, and now we've just tried the tea and it is insane. I'm buying some right away.
There is nothing quite like Turkish tea. You get pops of flavor like no other.
It's so good. Oh my goodness, yum.
I can't believe you mix the powder with hot water. Beautiful, delicious tea.
While Brad and I were experiencing the Turkish markets, my dad was having an experience of his own. In traditional Turkish grooming, men indulge in a meticulous experience, beginning with a soothing face wash, often infused with aromatic oils to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin. Barbers perform precise haircuts, massages, and waxing treatments, providing a refreshing and polished look.
Ah, classic.
You need the best for last. My nose.
You see yourself. Okay, what?
Is that funny?
This is true. Go, you're good. You're good.
Oh.
Ah, beautiful.
It's the best haircut I've ever had in my life by 100 miles. Not even close. not even with the same universe.
The Turkish pampering didn't end there. It was time to experience a Turkish bath, also known as Hammam. First, we start with a beautiful sauna. Oh, and it's hot rocks. Turkish bath experience. It is damn hot in here. I'm sweating, but it's so good. Get all of those toxins out before we get in those baths.
If you haven't been to a Turkish bath before, this is what to expect. I look like Shrek right now, but I feel amazing. Flat, beautiful granite, and the most amazing experience. This takes you back to the ancient times, transporting you to a different world. Face masks, chill, and some Turkish tea on the way.
It's a sad morning. We're taking the boat out for the winter. Beautiful sunrise to send us off though.
To dry dock a boat for winter, it is carefully lifted out of the water using a specialized crane or travel lift. Then it is relocated to a space in the marina and placed on sturdy wooden blocks or supports, allowing it to rest securely above the waterline, preventing damage and facilitating maintenance during the colder months.
Just finished cleaning inside from top to bottom, and the last step is to dehumidify. So we're going to put these around the boat so that it stays nice and fresh throughout the winter.
We basically pulled all the cushions off the boat. We've taken the bimini down, all the sails, all the ropes are hanging up for the winter. Packed away as much stuff as we can. It's all in the hatches, it's inside. We whacked on a nice thick layer of some turtle wax soap to protect the boat over the winter. We're all packed up, as you can see. We're almost ready to boot it out of here. Goodbye, graduates!
Our Euro summer comes to a close as we say goodbye to our home on the seas and kickstart our next thrilling journey in the heat of South Africa. Join us as we set foot on the captivating Shlakani homestead, where our expedition kicks off with an exhilarating private safari drive spanning 3 unforgettable days. We head out into the wilderness and encounter the majestic Big Five in their natural habitat. But our adventure doesn't stop there. Brace yourselves as we stand shoulder to shoulder with the fearless anti-poaching unit, witnessing their heroic efforts to save rhinos from the clutches of poachers, including the courageous act of removing a rhino's horn. Get ready for an extraordinary tale of conservation, bravery, and the wild wonders of South Africa. Like and subscribe to follow along with our top line travels.